welcome to my video. Today, I'll be showing you a new Bluey toy. Let me show you this. Okay, this is Dad when he borrows the car, when he drives it to Bluey's house. Here he is. That's Bluey's house. Remember? So this is the family's car. It's called the Healer family. This is an awesome four-wheel drive. Let's open it up now. This is how it looks like when it comes out of the box. That's Bluey's dad, Bandit. And look, there are two surfboards. Hey, doesn't that look cool? It's even got Bluey written on the back. Look what just happened. You can open the top. Look, someone is getting dizzy now. Look, Bluey's dad is in the car with his surfboards and ready to go to the beach soon. Look, this is how you fix them on the surfboard. Bye-bye. Heading for the waves now.